This is Brent with Kooima Ag, and today we wanted to talk a little bit about one of our better sellers, the cutoff knives for the Kemper, the John Deere, and the New Holland FI corn heads. We currently have 3 different styles that we offer. The standard style, which would be your just plain heat treated blade. So what they do is this laser cut of a high carbon steel. The edge is actually induction hardened, which is something that Kooima Ag is the only one that I know that does currently. The nice thing about that is when you don't heat treat around your square corners, you don't have the cracking problems that you would with a fully heat treated blade. We only want the heat treat up here where all the work is being done. So that would be considered an entry-level blade. The next step up from that one, which is probably our best seller currently, would be the blades with the hard facing coating on it. They call that a wear sharp style coating. So in theory, what happens is the body of the knife or the back side is going to wear out faster than the hard face side. So it actually wears to a sharp edge. So you do get the longer life with the tungsten hard facing on it. You get the self-sharpening. So that is a very, very popular blade. Been using those for years. The newest knife that we came out with now would be this style, which is very similar to the standard tungsten hard face knife, other than we actually come through with a milled edge on that. So it comes right from the factory, right out of the box. It's going to be sharp. That's going to be ease the power requirements on your gearboxes. It's going to cut through your material a lot easier. We don't have a lot of experience on these yet because it's relatively new, but we do feel that the next progression is going to be to this style. We still do have the hard face coating on there. That is a high density carbide. It's a welded style carbide. So the adherence to the blade is superior to the sprayed on, like the competitors use. Just going to do the same thing. You know, the body is going to wear just a little bit faster, this being the body, than the hard facing. So it keeps that nice sharp edge on that. There again too, it just cuts through the material not much easier. You're going to enjoy that with you know, the power requirements, the ease on your gearboxes, and the longevity with everything that's on it. That's the 3 different types of knives we have. They are all really good movers. They have their own place. You know, you have to make the decision which is best for your operation, but it does give you the choice of different options, and you can decide from there. Thank you very much.